Hello Unanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today, gagawa tayo ng napakasarap na Milo Jelly Salad. At kung gusto mo malaman kung paano gumawa, just watch this whole video. And this is our ingredients: 4 pack of Milo, 1 pack of Mr. Gulaman, 1 pack of coffee, 1 can of condensed all-purpose cream, sugar, sago, 6 cups of water. First, let's prepare our Milo Jelly Gulaman. So let's cook 2 cups of water we needed, then 1 pack of Mr. Gulaman. Let's stir it and set aside for a while. Now, for the 4 cups of water in the casserole, add the 2 pack of Milo powder, then add the 1 pack of instant coffee, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Stir it well until the coffee, Milo, and the sugar melted totally. In a medium fire, let's cook our Milo jelly. Yan, kumukulo na ang ating mixture. Let's pour Mr. Gulaman. Haluin lang natin mabuti hanggang humalo yung Mr. Gulaman dun sa ating mixture hanggang maluto na ito. And then turn it off. Then, pour in the food container, salain natin ito ng strainer, and then set it aside. Then, pag lumamig na, saka natin ilalagay sa refrigerator para mas tumigas ito. Now, while waiting na tumigas yung ating Milo jelly, ready na natin yung natitirang ingredients. Pour the condensed milk in the container. Add the 250 ml all-purpose cream. So, nilagay ko ito sa refrigerator ng overnight. Then, mix it well. Add the 2 pack Milo powder. And then mix it well until the Milo powder totally melted. Now, add the sago. So, mas masarap kung mas maraming sago. And then, kung hindi naman kayo mahilig sa sago, so you can use 1 cup of sago. Then, mix it well. Then, once na nahalo na natin itong mabuti, pwede na natin ito ilagay sa refrigerator. Para pag nilagay natin yung Milo jelly, pwede na natin itong kainin. Cut the Milo jelly into cubes. Now, add the Milo jelly cubes dun sa mixture na ginawa natin kanina. Then, mix it together. Now, it's ready to serve. Let's time to tikiman time. So, unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Let's be friends. I love you. Bye until next video.